YouTube, we are back again. Today we have another recall. We have a 2013 F-150 and the recall for this car is about the transmission. So it appears that it has a problem when it downshifts and tells the risk safety here. Taking downshift into first gear can be caused an abrupt wheel speed reduction, so that can cause an accident, can make the wheels lock, so it will increase the risk of a crash. And the recall number is this one, 19 Snake 07, and it was just updated a while ago, like 2 days. This is the date was updated. So today we're gonna reflash the module and we're gonna be using the J2534 ECU program tool. This is the Maxi Flash from Otil, and you're gonna need a subscription from Motorcraft Service. First you have to create an account. I already created mine. I had it since a long time. So once you're in, you need to go to diagnostic supports. When I hit software, and you're gonna, it depends on the system you have, like mine. If you're programming on the 2534 interface, you want to check this one, the FJDS. If you have the original software, just go to IDS. So we hit purchase software and we scroll down, and here you're gonna see the prices for, if you wanna use this software for 2 days, it's $50. So I'm gonna use that, and you have to, it's gonna redirect you to another website, and I already have an account in it, so I just hit OK, and I have purchased many licenses from this website. So you want to hit purchase additional license, and here you have to choose the quantity, how many days you're gonna use. Like if you want to use 4 days, just put 2. In this case we're just gonna use it once, we put 1. We scroll down. Oh, I'm sorry, the first one is for the IDS, the original software, or the original equipment. So you're gonna go down, and here's gonna tell you for 2534 diagnostic. So we hit next and agree with the terms. Next, and you're gonna enter your information, credit card, and once you do that, it's gonna approve you with that. So I'll be back once you have to install also the program. So if you go back to the website, just go diagnostic support, diagnostic support, and go to software, and you're gonna see the download section. Okay guys, so we're back. Program is running. Paid for the license already, so I have the vehicle scan ready. As you can see, it's a EcoBoost turbocharged 3.5. Gonna go to tools, module programming. We hit OK. Go for it. Module. Then you want to choose module reprogramming. We're gonna choose power control module, which is combined computer and engine. So during the module program goes through a bin verification process. Okay, you need Wi-Fi for this, so make sure your Wi-Fi is on and your charger on. Put your charger too. So we hit OK. Yes, the bin is right, but we can confirm that's the right bin number. Yes. Verifying some things. Open the key. Say yes to this. That's connecting to Wi-Fi. Okay. Software version. Okay. Now you can see here calibration is available. Do you want to program the PCM? Yes. We're gonna hit yes. So we hit yes. Loading files. Sure, yeah, and the charger. All accessories are off. You need to go. Okay, then we hit confirm. Take a step back. 6 ignition off. To see the truth. Set ignition on. From a distance you can tell. Alright. And it's starting. Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors. Okay, so we see that the lights are on and everything. And it says calibration has been loaded and checked. So network utility codes might have it set. Right. We hit next. If required, obtain a reprogramming label and complete the following. No. Okay. We're gonna print this. Send it to the printer, so it's records. Hit OK, and we're done. That's it. That's how you reprogram a recall, well, a module reprogramming for a 2013 F-150. So I hope you find this information helpful. If you like it, subscribe and like, and thanks for watching.